Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
The US dollar eased slightly as investors digested the possibility that Federal Reserve may raise interest rates further than expected, while sterling edged higher ahead of the Bank of England policy meeting. Stellantis NV said consumers in Europe are slightly dialing back car purchases, joining Germany's BMW AG in warning the region is on the back foot due to surging costs for anything from energy to lending. Deliveries of US crude oil to Asia are set to touch a record 1.8 million barrels per day this month, Kpler shipping data showed, as demand climbed on a widening discount to global oil. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw Apple's stock drop 2.2%. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair plummeted 1.9% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The French industrial output will be released at 07:45 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Germany's factory orders at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The US average hourly earnings at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.